The child's pose, Shashankasana. You sit down on your heels and bring your forehead down on the mat. Keep your arms by the side of your body. One of the things that we find mostly people do as a mistake is to keep their elbows up, which means that the shoulders are a little tense. You want to keep your elbows on the floor by bending the elbows, and you can see that the shoulders immediately drop and they become relaxed. Sometimes our abdomen is a little heavy, so you may not be able to bring the forehead down on the mat comfortably. So, what do? You sit up and you separate your knees and then bring the forehead down on the mat. This way, the abdomen will come between the thighs and you'll be able to rest your forehead comfortably on the floor. You should not leave your head hanging. You should try to separate your knees in such a way that the head comes completely on the floor.